the legacy of blockchain left by Bitcoin. It's been about 15 years since Bitcoin appeared on the scene in 2009. While the blockchain industry is often portrayed as having made significant progress, the reality is that blockchain technology itself has largely been neglected. Few people consider the true meaning of blockchain or seek to understand its fundamentals. Blockchain is a complex technology compared to other advanced technologies like AI, robotics, and big data. It is not easy to grasp. The issue is that even if one studies this difficult technology and tries to develop new applications, making money from it is challenging. The profitable business lies in coins, not in blockchain. The coin market has certainly established itself as an industry, but it is not synonymous with the blockchain market. Many people confuse this distinction. Among the various fields of blockchain, coins are particularly easy to monetize. Due to their similarity to stocks, they are easy for people to understand and access. However, as emphasized, coins and blockchain are different. Those involved in the coin industry should focus on coins. Their greed is tarnishing the technology of blockchain and killing the blockchain market, which should be kept in mind. Satoshi Nakamoto criticized the moral hazards of central systems and introduced Bitcoin to the world. He advocated for decentralization and created the blockchain database. He adhered to the principle of decentralization more than anyone, and decentralization is an essential condition for blockchain. However, the current blockchain and coin markets do not prioritize decentralization. Decentralization is not without its drawbacks. While it prevents data monopolies by specific groups and enables transparent ledger management, it also presents clear disadvantages. Achieving perfect decentralization brings challenges such as ledger size, speed, and individuals' data management responsibilities. For those accustomed to centralized server-based services, these aspects can be inconvenient. Nonetheless, abandoning the core principle of decentralization due to these drawbacks means it's not blockchain, but rather a distributed system. Since when did compromise become a measure of technological prowess? Why do global blockchain companies claim to be blockchain while abandoning decentralization, no matter how slow or inconvenient? If decentralization is not maintained, the term blockchain should not be used. If compromises were made for coin prices and convenience, then the name blockchain should be discarded. Decentralization has no percentage if it's not 100%, it has no meaning. Satoshi's legacy, which desired a decentralized system more than anyone, has led to today's coin market. If he were alive somewhere, he would be lamenting. Most people don't even distinguish between coins and tokens. For those holding foundation-issued tokens, simply waiting for the price to rise, technology is not important. Nevertheless, there are people like us, who are working to develop and research blockchain technology. For people like us, it is not coins, but 100% decentralization that holds greater value. The new ecosystem created within that environment is more meaningful. Someone is preserving Satoshi's legacy. SASEUL is one of them, and I believe there are others as well.
Every time I train myself because of you. If you wanna be in my way 'cause of me, the stars were shining to me away, whispering, I want you to know you're my world. Every time I'm crazy, it's because of you. If you're looking right in me because of love, to me it's a pretty wonderland. Do not make me cry again. I need you right now. I'm gonna be fine. You left me alone.